Hello, amazing learners. Krishna Sharma here, and welcome back to Kredict. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey building our very own interactive portfolio website using only HTML. Get ready to showcase your skills, projects, and connect with the world. Let's dive in. So let's overview this projects overview is before we jump into the code. Let's quickly overview what we are building: a portfolio website. This will include sections for your bio sections, skills, projects, and a contact form. We will use various HTML elements to structure our content, making it visually and appealing and user friendly. So this is our first project using HTML. Let's create it. First, setting up the HTML structure. Alright, let's start by setting up the basic HTML structure. We will create sections for header, bio, skill, projects, and a contact form. Each section will utilize the HTML tags we have learned so far. So first we have to just make a file for index.html, and here we using emit power exclamation mark and just put the enter. Here we are going to write project 1 portfolio. Okay, I hope you are getting all this. So in the body we will change all this thing. So first we have the header section. This is header section. We have to, in the header section, we have to just give the name and the what you have role. So just in the name we are going to give Kredict, and here we are going to give a web developer. So you can take this Kredict is in the h1 and web developer in ptag. So this is header tag. This is our header tag. So just go like this. So you are getting this is showing in our web page. So next is bio section. In the bio section we have to give about me and brief bio. So just copy this and paste in the HTML. So this is bio with the ID bio. So do not confuse with this, because I have not teach you what is ID, but just give lorem. So lorem is an emit abbreviation. Just give lorem and give 70. This will give some random 70 words for you. So you can see this about me. So you can just customize this also about me. Let's move to another section. It is skill section. So this is very important section for skills. We have to just copy this, and after the section bio we have to just paste this. So in the skill section we are going to use h2 tag and section skills, and we are here using list. So here is unordered list with list, and we have this skills HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and if you have more skills then you can just use more skill like this li. And if you know the React, you have to just write React. So you can see this. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next section. So next is project section. You have to just showing what projects you have made in your portfolio. After the skill section you have to just paste this. So the project section we are going to use some images and links also. So in h2 we have write projects, and next is contact form. So first just copy this and paste after the projects. So here we are going to make a contact form, and we are here going to give some images and link. So the contact form and images we will cover in the next video. Let's move to next. So here is a style for portfolio website. So here I am not going to teach you what are the styles with CSS. We are just here to use some styles to bring our portfolio website to life. Let's style it using CSS. We will make it visually appealing and responsive. Feel free to get creative with colors, fonts and layout. Portfolio overview, we have to just use style in the project. So first we have to link this file in the head tag, link and CSS. So here just hover it and follow the link and create this file. So in this file we are going to give some styles. So here we have the style body, header, h1 sections and UL. Just copy this and paste in the style CSS. So you can see this in the body. We are going to change the font family Arial and sans serif, background color padding, header. So here this is not a CSS tutorial, so I am not going to teach you what are these things. So you have to just use this, and you can see this without. If I just comment all these things, and you can see this without CSS, this is looking this, and with CSS you can just see the difference. So Kredict is just come in the center, web developer also, and about me just change the color, and this is looking cool. I hope you understand this. So next video we will cover the contact form and images for the project section. Now here comes the fun part, customizing your portfolio website. Add your personal touch, include your more details and make it uniquely yours. The skill you have covered so far are your tools for creativity. Congratulations, you have just built your interactive portfolio website using HTML. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kredict and hit the notification bell. Your coding journey is just beginning and here's so much more to explore. Until next time, happy coding, and I will catch you in our next part.